Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is Git. Here are around 20 Git commands which are very important, and most of places we are using them. Whether you are a part of development team or DevOps team, you must be knowing these commands. It doesn't matter in which language you are working, in which programming language you are working, whether UI developer, API developer, backend developer, or you are DevOps engineer. You must be knowing these commands. These are very important commands. So I'm going to cover them. I'll explain their use cases. Also, I'll explain what kind of resolution they are going to provide us and how to use them. So let us start. So first one is git config. Uses git config and then you mention the username, and also second usage you can mention the email. So it is important whenever you're working on any source control, then when you pushing any changes or you making commit, then your username and email should be there so that people can track who has committed this change or process. For that purpose, in VS Code also you need to log in with some user ID and password. So they are setting this. So this configuration is important. And second command is git init. Uses git init and then you need to mention the repository name. This command is used to start a new repository. Okay. And next one is git clone. So usage is git clone and you need to mention the URL. So URL is something which you need to take it from your GitHub or any other resource, or any other in place similar to GitHub. This command is used to obtain the repository from the existing URL, whatever URL you are giving there. It may be remote or it may be some other URL. Next one is git add. Usage is git add and then you need to mention the file name that you are going to add. So this command adds a file to staging area. And next usage of this command is git add star. When you mention star, then this command adds one or more to your staging area, one or more file to your staging area. Okay. And then next command is git commit. Usage is git commit m and type your commit message. This command is records, snaps the file permanently to your version history with your commit message, which you can mention. Then next command is git difference. Usage is git diff. This command show the file differences which are not at a stage. If you want to compare your files, then you can run this command. And then next command is git status. Uses git status, and then this command lists all the files that have to be committed, where you can see what I'm going to commit. Before committing, you can use this git status command. Git rm uses is git rm, then you can mention the file name. This command deletes the file from your working directory and stages the deletion. Next one is git log. Uses git log. You can, this is the command you can run, and then this command is used to list the version history for your current branch. Okay. Then next one is git show. Git show and then commit. This command shows the metadata and content changes of the specified commit. You need to mention the commit ID or commit name here, right? The next command is git tag. Let's suppose you want to add some tag on your source, then this command is used to give tags to your specified commit, and basis on that commit you can roll back and you can track your branch. Next command is git branch. You can type git branch. This command lists all local branches in your current repository. Then next usage of same command is git branch and branch name. So this command creates a new branch, and then third usage of this is git branch, then D and branch name. Then this will delete your feature branch. Whatever name you mentioning in there, then it would be deleting that. Okay. Git checkout. Most of time we are using this command git checkout and branch name. Let's suppose you want to check out any branch, then you can use this, and this command is used to switch from one branch to another also. Okay. Next usage of the same branch, same command is git checkout b and branch name. This is also very important command. This command create a new branch and also switch to it. Let's suppose you are in dev branch, you want to create your feature branch, then you can use this git checkout v and name of that feature branch. Then it will create that branch, also switch to that branch, and it will create from the your dev branch. Okay. Git merge is also important. This command merges specified branch history into the current branch. Okay, you need to mention git merge and branch name. Then next one is git remote. Git remote add and variable name and remote server URL. So this command is used to connect your local repository to the remote server, remote origin. Okay. And git push, first use of git push is git push and variable name and master. So this command is sends committed changes of the master branch to your remote repository. Next use is git push and variable name and branch. This command sends the branch commits to your remote repository. Third usage of this command git push all and variable name. This command pushes all branches to your remote repository. Last usage of this git push and variable name and branch name. So command delete a branch on your remote repository, right? What is you need to type git push variable name and then branch name. Okay, variable name column branch name. Yes. So next command is git pull. This is also very frequently used command. Git pull repository link you need to mention. Okay, this command fetches and merges changes on your remote server to working directory. Let's suppose you need to pull some changes from your remote server to your working directory. You need to use this git pull, right? This is just opposite of git push. We use git push to push your changes to remote, and git pull is to get the changes from remote to your working directory or in your local. Git stash. This is also most of time we are using git stash and save. Then this command temporarily stores all your modified tracked file. And next use of this command is git stash pop. This command stores the most recent stashed files. Git stash list command tell you the list of all stashed change sets. Okay, so that is all about these 20 commands, I would say, um, which are very, very important. And I hope you like it. And thank you for your time. And see you in next video where we'll be covering the practical of this command. Thank you.